So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-uusapan natin isang very interesting kabola na trade rumor kabola that we will even suggest kabola trade for it kabola. And then of course we will talk about Magnolia kabola, Calvin Abueva, and of course pag-uusapan din natin itong Ginebra. So kung hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po muna kabola. Edition ko ng UAAP kabola to suspend ito nga pong head coach ng UE na si Chris Gavina kabola. 4 games. Grabe nga ba no kabola. So, after po nito kasi, di ba? Nasuspend po si Gavina kasi nga nagmura siya kabola no, after nung kanila pong pagkatalo kabola. So pagmumura niya kabola and etc. Doon na ata talaga siguro na-reach na rin po ng management ng UAP yung limits nila that they suspended him for games kabola. Pero ganito kasi yan for me lang kabola. So, ano yan, ang pinapakita kasi ng UAP dito, di ba? Of course, kasi sila Coach Tab kabola, nagsalita din sila against the, against sa tawagan kabola. So, parang, if these statements coming from Gavina is 4 game suspension, parang sinasabi nila, ang limit is yung mga statement na ginawa ni Coach Tab, ganun kabola. Basta I'm not a fan kabola of these decisions ng suspend kabola. Kasi parang sign of guilt, di ba kabola? Ikaw ba? Sign of guilt. And at the end of the day, UE kabola, nasa mababa sila ng standings no kabola. Doon pa sa most recent trade ko ng Ginebra kabola, and explain dito si Coach Tim Cohn kabola, that one wanted to go, one didn't. So parang sinasabi niya dito, ayaw atang matrade sana ni Aljon Mariano kabola. And most probably, the reason is because of the salary, di ba? Kasi baka walang kasiguraduhan kabola, na ganoon pa rin po yung salary niya. Dito nga po sa Terra Firma kabola, di ba? Kasi of course, baka hindi na nila ibigay yung mga extra binibigay po ng Ginebra kabola. Pero for me, I'm actually excited to see Mariano. We have a chance again to have a bigger role kabola. Mariano, remember, he was once superstar in the UAAP kabola. Before siya naging role player dito po sa Ginebra, a defensive role player kabola. Isa po muna siyang all-star, superstar kabola ng UST. Now, can he again reach that level? Only he can actually show that if he can still do that. Si Calvin Abueva kabola, unfortunately, hindi niya nakalaro itong kanyang dating koponen na Magnolia, na-injured po siya. Ayan, nagka-technical siya dun sa game po kabola ng Titan at saka ito nga pong Magnolia. Pero I just want to point out regarding this matter kabola, that truly, Abueva is really one of the still the most exciting personality in the PBA kabola. Talagang nagbibigay pa rin po siya ng buhay kabola. And sayang, di ba? Sayang for Magnolia kasi they just gave up on him kabola. Now, ito naman po kabola ang rumor na pag-usapan natin. Ito, Raymond Almazan pala. Target daw po pala siya ng Titan kabola. And for me, this is very interesting for me kabola kasi this is very logical for them. Diba? If you look po at their center rotation right now, they badly need a center. And Almazan is a legit center. He's not even just a legit center. He's modern kasi he's capable of hitting shots from beyond the arc kabola. And he also capable of defending the Giants. So very, very good target si Raymond Almazan. Although age-wise kasi kabola, 36 na rin to. Pero for me kabola, he will even be a good fit, di ba? Sa kanilang team kasi he's long, he will fit defensively with Munzon, kabola, di ba? Overall, I want this to happen, di ba? Pero what could be the trade, kabola? For me, the most interesting trade is just a straight swap. Slaughter for Almazan, di ba, kabola? Let Slaughter return to the PBA. If that's Meralco Boss, then give it to Meralco Boss, di ba, kabola? Di ba? And let him be reunited with Coach Norman Black or the head coach Norman Black. I'm just excited to see Greg Slaughter return again, and I'm also excited for Titan to get a 6'8 center. Kapag fair ba to? Comment na po sa baba.